Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share information regarding two different hirings. One is from Revature and the other one is from Cognizant. And for Revature, BE BTech eligible. For Cognizant, only 3-year degrees eligible. So below I've given the timestamp. So based on your qualification, you can look at whichever part you want. So first I'll start with Revature. So this is the hiring for software engineer, and they are looking for 300 entry level software engineers to work in Java full stack development and big data. So they're looking for 300 people, and the CTC is 5 lakh per annum, and they also offer the opportunity to work in product development, service integrations, and there is a free bootcamp training, and during the training there is a stipend of 5,000 rupees per month. So how long is the training and all that? So that information has not been disclosed. Okay, and important, I mean the dates are also have not been given. Okay, so if you are eligible and willing, you can apply as early as possible. And as far as the educational qualification is concerned, so they have given BE BTech CSE IT. If suppose you are from the other engineering majors, then in that case you should have completed a computer science course or certification. Okay, so CSE IT only eligible. In case you are from any other branch, then you should have a computer science course or certification. And so minimum 65% in the engineering degree without arrears, and minimum 60% in 10th and 12th board exams, and you should have also like good communication skills. And year of passing 2020 and 2021 eligible for this hiring. And the job location is they have given like multiple cities. And as far as the selection process is concerned, so they have said there will be an online assessment which will have logical ability, reasoning ability, algorithmic, technical and coding questions, and then there will be a one-on-one technical screening, and finally a HR discussion. So this is the selection process. And how to apply, link to apply is given in the description below. You can click on that link to apply, and in this it is a very simple form, okay, wherein they have just asked for your name, email, phone, state, degree, branch, graduation date, then the institution name, score in degree, score in 12th and 10th, and then they have also asked you to upload your resume. So that is also a very simple thing. Now on to the next information regarding Cognizant. So next hiring, Cognizant recruitment 2021. So actually this hiring information I have also shared very recently also. So they have again opened that hiring, and they have extended the date until October 30th. Okay, so the compensation is like 2.5 lakhs per annum for this, and job function, it is like technical support, customer support, technical support is the job function, and it comes under the IT category. And important dates, as I said, 30th October 2021, and it is an immediate hiring. And education, they have given any 3-year graduation program is eligible for this, and 50% in 10th 12th diploma UG, and no, there should not be any standing areas, maximum gap 2 years, and PG not eligible, they have very clearly mentioned. And so the year of passing eligible for this is 2019, 2020 and 2021 batches, and without any backlog, of course, already said. Now regarding job description, so they are given a detailed job description, because whenever like they say like a technical support and so on, people have a lot of queries. Okay, so they're given like a detailed job description which says so responsible for providing IT infrastructure support covering cloud and on-premise products like Windows, Azure, MS Office and other business applications to the global customers, and ensure seamless functioning of business. Also work in various business domains like banking, finance, insurance, communication, media, retail, healthcare, life sciences, technology and consulting. Provide expert solutions on infrastructure applications. Infrastructure applications, hardware and software installations and networking queries. Accountable for gathering information through client conversation and ensure optimal resolution. Engage in business interaction with end users to provide innovative approaches. Evaluate the critical needs of the users to provide quality deliverables to enhance user satisfaction shifts. Clarify user queries and work collaboratively to ensure there is no business impact. Using high level of problem solving and critical thinking skills to engage in time-bound tasks, and also there should be good communication skills and should be open to work in flexible shifts. So this is about the job description. And as far as joining location work timings are concerned, industry standard business hours with rotational shifts to support global customer base, and delivery locations across India, encouraging relocation based on business requirement. And as far as the selection process is concerned, there will be an online assessment and interview. And so how to apply, link to apply is given in the description below, right? And so it is the application is through Superset. So Superset usually gathers basic details, contact details, your current most recent education, previous education, internship, profile and photo, profile photo and documents like your resume. You may have to upload your resume. If you have any queries regarding Superset application applying process, so there is a video which I've done for Wipro. It is actually very similar. Okay, the Superset is all very common. Okay, so link to that video is also given below. So if you have any query regarding how to apply for in Superset, you can click on that link to see through that. And so that's all is the information I have in this video. Now if you have any queries, please post your questions in the comment section below. And if you like this information, click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you are not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.